Shadow out there on the roof. He love the roof. Why? I couldn't tell you. I couldn't tell y'all why. All them leaves. I need to get those. I should have did the leaves. It's a whole nother tree over there that's got to drop though. This one done. That one's about done. I still got that third one over there on the right. This is a good time to trim them the branches and stuff. I know y'all like, why aren't you talking about this? This is about shadow. Don't be selfish. It's called shadowing me. Yeah. What do he want to be outside on the roof for? What if he jumped, y'all?